we called our parents firstly, and we gave them the first news that we were accredited to go on Hajj, alhamdulillah. So,
And alhamdulillah, here we are.
alhamdulillah.
It still feels so unreal.
Also the whole journey, alhamdulillah, we didn't know how to go forward, and the Al Bayt team, alhamdulillah, special thanks to Yasin. Yasin was always there. I mean, whenever we needed to call him or we needed assistance, him and afterwards we got the help of Ishmael,
Maulana Fahim.
Maulana Fahim.
The Al Bayt team has been
The Al Bayt
amazing.
team, alhamdulillah.
Taskia as well. She was our spiritual guide on the course that we did over the weekend that we had before coming for Hajj. Alhamdulillah, that was really the team is amazing.
Amazing team. I mean, all the webinars we attended, the classes they gave on social media, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, the information they passed on to us was totally amazing. So shukran to the Al Bayt team. You guys did yourself very proud, alhamdulillah.